good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning. It's a little bit rainy this morning. Weather is not bad, it's just a little bit rainy. Um, Other than that, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a great day here in Georgia. Alright, guys, so today is just a day of computer work. I was editing videos all day, and yesterday and the day before video I was just editing, and I was doing some corrections on the menu, going over filling out that paperwork for the oh, it's a beautiful day up there. Very beautiful. Yeah, so I was just going over some. I need to see that plumber guy right there. I gotta speak to him. I was going over the filling out the paperwork for the health department application. So that took a while. I had to be reading everything, word for word, just to fill it out. So that's what I was doing. Taking in the garbage, guys. Garbage can. So yeah, I was getting that done, and then pretty much a day just went by. I didn't even make it over there to the health department, so I'll probably go over there early in the morning to get the there's an additional form that I have to fill out. Additional form that I have to fill out, so I'm gonna pick that form up and get it filled out, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna turn in all these paperwork Monday, because I still have to get the what do you call it, the plans printed. I have to get another copy, so I could give them one copy. So they get a copy, the health department get a copy, the county gets a copy. So I'm gonna have to get that copy for them. So I think I'll just do all the the plan review, submit all the plan review and all that on Monday for the health department. The county should be, by now it should have been submitted, because the architect's supposed to have submitted those yesterday or day before yesterday. So I'm gonna follow up with him later today or tomorrow if he already did that. But yeah, everything is going along. We're chipping away at it every day as the day go by, so we'll see how that works. Guys, don't mind the cars. The cars are real. A lot of hooked up cars over here, and every now and then you hear one go by. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the van, vacuum the van out a little bit today, give it a little clean, wash it off, and it's a slow day. Alright, so I got the vacuum out here. I'm gonna set this up on a tripod and then vacuum the van. I'm gonna empty everything out of it first though, so give me a second. Alright, so we're gonna clean inside the van a little bit. Let me get this garbage can so I could just dump everything in there at once. Give me 1 second. Alright, yeah, so I'm just dumping stuff as we go, instead of taking them out and throwing them directly into the garbage can. Alright guys, so I'm cleaning everything. I'm taking everything out and just cleaning everything from top to bottom in this car. It's Big Bertha, you know. So I clean out Big Bertha all the way. I'm gonna clean all the pockets out. I'm gonna clean all the pockets out, the glove box, everything in the glove box. I'm gonna clean everything out. Give it a fresh start, you know, as if it was new. Just gonna get rid of everything. See, we got straws, we got all sorts of, you know, mint, everything, tea bag. It's just years of, you know, things accumulating, you know. So I'm starting over. Look, see, I'm gonna take everything out the glove box, throw away what needs to be thrown away, you know. See, I got gloves in here. We got Neosporin, straws, an extra cap, batteries, key rings. I'm just gonna throw out everything, yo. Everything got to go. We got these things right here. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the thing for plumbing. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go through, guys, and clean the whole entire van, take everything out, and start from scratch. You know what I'm saying? So give me a few. Let me go on the other side, guys. Well, I take a mango brick. Mango, yeah, nice. Yes, I see we have cups. Take out all of them, so everything got to go. Cup, water. Guys, me there wash a van out hill and now record none at all. Whenever I hit record, so I just gotta pretend say me I wash it. I already washed the side, but it never record. The thing me there record the whole time. Never need to put. Yeah, you can show now wash the back. The way they put the on your feet, I'll probably just wash half today and then wash the other half tomorrow. Don't beat you up. Of your call when me record. Adjust you guys towards the back. one side done. One side done. Me never show on the other side because she clean. You get that inside out clean. Check out that.